We need 5 more subscribers to reach the goal for 100 subscribers by the end of the month. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the vending machine series. So today I'll be discussing with you guys my routine I use to run the business. So typically every Thursday I go and I check the machine to see what's low on product and go purchase it to make sure everything's ready for the weekend. On the laundromat, that's when it's the busiest, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today's Thursday, we'll go do that and then come back on Monday and just pick up and find out what's sold over the weekend. Also wanted to show you guys a new product that I bought off of Amazon to kind of improve these videos. Here it is, check it out. So it's a headband that you can mount your phone into to record, to get some first person point of view footage. Let's I feel like we're gonna look funny wearing this, but we'll see. Alright guys, I don't know about this. People are gonna look at me funny, but alright, let's go check out the machine and see what we're low on. Few empty chip slots, cookie slot, couple chocolate bars down here. Stop number 1. Costco. We need some Coke. And some Pepsi. You guys know that for the end of the month of May, my goal is to have 100 subscribers. And guys, we are so close. We need 5 more subscribers to reach the goal for 100 subscribers by the end of the month of May. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to see more content on these vending machines and on bringing back the 2007 Ford F-150 back to life. Thank you guys. The next stop here at the URM. Time to stock these machines up. got the machine stocked up, ready for the weekend. If you haven't seen my previous video where I show you guys that the owner asked me to remove my machines from the laundromat, go check it out to find out the reason why. The owner did give me some time to look for another location, so I've been busy behind the scenes making these phone calls. Currently waiting back to hear from a high traffic location to get approval. So we'll find out next week whether I get that new location. I got some more exciting news about some new stuff that I got to produce more content. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe so you guys find out whether we got the high traffic location and to find out on what the new exciting news are for more content. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.